To get a early access or open beta for free for Battlefield 6, first of all, you will need to download the Battlefield 6 from Steam or EA app. Just download the game, and then if you play it, you won't be able to join any match. You also need to get a open beta key, and you can get that key by simply opening your browser, go to the twitch.com, create or log into your account, and make sure that it's connected to EA service. If not, then just let me down in the comments. I will try to make a video on how to connect that service. So now when you have that connection and everything, open any streamer that plays Battlefield 6 with the drops enabled, and after around half an hour, it may take longer, you should get a notification right here with the key. All you have to do is pop open your notifications and then click on the one from Battlefield. That way you will redeem your code to your EA account, and you can just play the game in early access. So that would be everything. Thanks so much for watching.